Before the city wakes up, before the lights turn on inside restaurants and the first coffee is poured, the McDonald's food system is already moving. Long before a single order is placed, a carefully engineered production chain begins its work, silently, efficiently, and at massive scale. On a cold American morning, refrigerated McDonald's trucks roll toward a large food processing facility built specifically to supply McDonald's restaurants. This is not a kitchen. This is an industrial environment designed to operate with precision, safety, and consistency every hour of every day. As the trucks arrive, security gates open and trained personnel guide them into the receiving area. Each delivery is documented, tracked, and inspected. The McDonald's supply chain depends on strict control, and nothing enters the system without verification. Inside the receiving bay, McDonald's quality inspectors immediately begin checking the shipment. Digital scanners confirm product origin. Temperature probes ensure cold chain integrity. Labels, batch numbers, and timestamps are reviewed carefully. If even one parameter is out of range, the shipment does not proceed. Only approved raw beef moves forward. Once cleared, the beef is transferred into McDonald's cold storage warehouses. These spaces are vast, stainless steel, climate-controlled, and meticulously organized. Every pallet has a designated location. Every movement is recorded. This level of structure allows McDonald's to manage enormous volumes while maintaining consistency across thousands of restaurants. Before production begins, McDonald's employees prepare for their shift. Workers pass through sanitation zones where hands are washed, disinfected, and inspected. Protective clothing is worn at all times. Hair coverings, gloves, and safety gear are mandatory. In this environment, hygiene is not optional, it is fundamental. With a signal from the production supervisor, the McDonald's burger production line starts. Raw beef is fed into industrial grinding machines designed specifically for McDonald's requirements. These machines are calibrated to control texture and composition with extreme accuracy. Sensors continuously monitor the process, adjusting automatically to maintain precise fat-to-meat ratios. The ground beef flows through sealed stainless steel channels, moving smoothly and efficiently. Automated portioning systems divide the meat into exact weights, ensuring that every McDonald's burger patty meets the same standard, regardless of where it will eventually be served. The portioned beef enters high-speed molding machines. In a matter of seconds, uniform circular patties are formed, each one identical in shape, size, and thickness. Thousands of McDonald's burger patties are created every hour, moving steadily along conveyor belts. As the patties travel forward, McDonald's quality control teams monitor every stage. Trained eyes look for visual defects. Metal detectors scan each patty for foreign objects. Automated cameras analyze shape and alignment. Human judgment and machine precision work together to maintain safety and quality. Only patties that meet McDonald's strict standards continue down the line. Next, the patties enter rapid freezing tunnels. Inside these chambers, temperatures drop instantly. Cold air flows evenly around each patty, locking in freshness and stabilizing structure. The freezing process is fast, controlled, and consistent, designed to preserve quality from factory to restaurant. Emerging from the tunnel, the patties are now solid and ready for packaging. Robotic arms move with synchronized precision, stacking frozen McDonald's patties into trays. The motion is continuous and efficient, reducing handling and minimizing human contact. Automation at this scale allows McDonald's to operate safely while meeting enormous demand. The trays move into automated packaging stations. Here, patties are sealed, labeled, and placed into McDonald's branded boxes. Batch codes and expiration dates are printed directly onto each box, creating full traceability throughout the supply chain. Before shipment, McDonald's quality inspectors conduct random checks. Boxes are opened, contents are verified, documentation is reviewed. Only after final approval are the products released for distribution. At this point, the scale of the operation becomes even more apparent. Automated palletizing systems stack hundreds of McDonald's boxes into tall, stable pallets. Forklifts transport these pallets into refrigerated outbound areas where McDonald's delivery trucks are waiting. One by one, pallets are loaded into the trucks. Doors are sealed. Temperatures are checked again. Engines start. Convoys of McDonald's trucks leave the factory, heading toward regional distribution centers across the country. These vehicles are part of a vast logistics network designed to keep every McDonald's restaurant stocked, supplied, and ready. On highways and city roads, these trucks move constantly. Behind each one is a schedule calculated down to the minute. Timing matters. Freshness matters. Reliability matters. At McDonald's regional distribution centers, the process continues. Trucks arrive and unload pallets into cold storage. Automated systems sort shipments by destination. Smaller delivery vehicles are prepared for individual restaurants. Each box is routed precisely. Every restaurant receives exactly what it needs, no more, no less. Soon, a McDonald's delivery truck arrives behind a familiar restaurant. Employees unload boxes of frozen patties and place them into restaurant freezers, maintaining temperature control until cooking begins. Inside the McDonald's kitchen, the final transformation takes place. Grills heat up. Timers are set. Frozen McDonald's patties are placed onto the hot surface. The sound of sizzling fills the air as steam rises. Cooking times are carefully controlled, ensuring consistency across every location. When the timer signals, the patties are flipped. McDonald's cheese slices are added, melting evenly across the surface. Nearby, McDonald's buns move through conveyor toasters, emerging warm and lightly crisped. The assembly process is fast but precise. Each McDonald's burger follows a standardized build. Bun, patty, cheese, condiments, all placed in the same order every time. This consistency defines the McDonald's experience. Once assembled, the burger is wrapped in McDonald's branded paper and placed onto a tray or into a takeaway bag. In seconds, it moves from the kitchen to the counter. Customers receive their meals. Families sit together, sharing food and conversation. Children unwrap burgers with excitement. Friends laugh over fries. Some customers eat alone, enjoying a familiar taste during a busy day. At the drive-thru, cars move steadily. Employees hand out warm bags through open windows. Orders are completed quickly, efficiently, and repeatedly. What started as raw beef inside a McDonald's factory has now become a finished meal, served fresh to people across the country. As evening approaches, McDonald's restaurants remain active. The golden arches glow against the night sky. Inside, kitchens continue operating, responding to constant demand. But even as restaurants serve customers, production never stops. Back at the McDonald's factory, night shift workers take over. Machines continue running. Patties move along conveyor belts. Freezing tunnels operate continuously. Cleaning crews sanitize equipment between production cycles. Supervisors walk the factory floor, monitoring systems and reviewing performance. This operation runs 24 hours a day, because millions of people depend on it. As night turns into morning, new McDonald's trucks line up at the factory gates. Another production run begins. Another cycle starts. From factory floor to delivery truck, from restaurant kitchen to dining table, the McDonald's burger represents one of the most efficient and carefully controlled food production systems in the world. This is how McDonald's burgers are made, from raw ingredients to wrapped meals, every single day. So, if this journey inside a real production process helped you see everyday food from a new perspective, consider subscribing to the channel. Our goal is to take you deeper inside the factories, supply chains, and systems that quietly power modern life. We focus on how things are actually made, the machines, the people, the precision, and the scale behind products you see every day. By subscribing, you support long-form, in-depth factory documentaries designed for viewers who value realism, detail, and education over shortcuts and hype. New videos are released regularly, each one carefully crafted to show the full process from start to finish. Stay with us, stay curious, and continue exploring the hidden world of modern manufacturing from the inside.